All right, we got everything unpackaged now. As you can see, we get the pot itself. It comes with a pot lid, everything that comes in the box, paperwork, instruction manual, power cord, and also a little flipper. All right, let's give you a close look at the pan itself. There's the underside. It's lightweight. It's not super heavy or anything like that. It feels high quality. Non-stick surface. Your control knob. At the end of the handle is your plug. Well, it is going to be a good addition to your kitchen. It's going to look nice. You can cook in it. You can saute some food. It's got the non-stick coating in there, and something like this would be great if you're doing some traveling in a motel room, or you got a kid in school. It would be great in their dorm. There's all kind of uses for this pot. It's going to be really easy to clean because of the non-stick surface. And if you travel, I think this is going to be a big money saver for me, because I do travel and stay in motel rooms every now and then, and I'm going to cook in this instead of wasting my money at local restaurants. Prices are sky high now. All right, let me show you the dial. If you can see that on the camera, there is an off position, a 150 watt position, and a 600 watt position. And of course, you can dial it in to whatever heat you need. I know you can't tell on camera, but I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. All right, it's plugged in. I've got a power indicator right there. I have it at 600 watts. Let me just kind of, yeah, I'm definitely feeling the heat. So yeah, it's going to heat up quickly. All right, this has just been kind of an unboxing and first look at the Dezin Electric Hot Plate. I hope that if you are looking at this product, you have found this video helpful.